Welcome to 15 of the best bird songs. Did you know that nearly half of all the world's birds can sing? From the common blackbird to the northern mockingbird, these birds produce a wide variety of vocalizations. Only the males in this species are black. Females have brown plumage. The wood thrush, found in the central and eastern United States and southeastern Canada, sings a beautiful song. The yellow warbler, found in North America, from the Arctic Circle to Mexico, has a delightful song. The common nightingale, found in selective distribution in the British Isles and southern Europe, has a captivating song. They spend winters in tropical areas of northern Africa and have brown upperparts and white to pale buff underparts. The western meadowlark, found in North America, from western Canada to Mexico, sings a delightful song. The summer tanager, found in North America, from the southern United States to northwestern South America, has a beautiful song. The northern mockingbird, found in the United States and Mexico, as well as the Caribbean islands, has a diverse and melodious song. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.